Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to add user roles for your Discord server on mobile in 2025. If you're a server admin looking to organize permissions, assign special access, or just make your community more structured, this guide is perfect for you. Roles in Discord help you manage who can do what, like moderating chats or accessing exclusive channels. And the best part? You can do all this right from your phone. No computer needed. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Discord app installed on your mobile device and that you're logged into your account. Open the app and head to your server by tapping on its icon from the main server list. Once you're in, look for the server name at the top. Tap on it to open the server menu. This is where the magic happens. Next, scroll down in the server menu and tap on Settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings menu, find and select Roles under the User Management section. Here, you'll see a list of existing roles. To add a new one, tap the plus button or Create Role option. Now, customize your new role. Give it a name, like Moderator or VIP Member. You can choose a color to make it stand out, and most importantly, toggle the permissions. For example, allow this role to manage messages, kick members, or view hidden channels. Take your time to get it just right. Discord makes this super intuitive on mobile. Once you're happy with your role settings, hit Save at the top. To assign it, go back to the server menu, select Members, find the user you want to assign it to, and tap on their name. Then, under their roles, add the new one from the list. Boom! You're done. Adding roles keeps your server running smoothly and helps build a great community. If you run into any issues, double-check your server permissions or update your app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips. See you in the next video.